we've got, the ears are all sanded. We've taken it out in here. We've rounded, sanded this down. Now, the same with this one. I marked these so I wouldn't forget what's what, or which side they go on to when I drill my holes. So these are approximately an inch. So I'm going to use this 1-inch drill bit here, and we're going to drill down in here a little bit. That's not going to work. That's not what I want to do. Okay, what we'll do is we'll use our Dremel attachment to go down in there. I don't like the way that was working. So we'll use this one here to get our holes started. Just like we did the eyes. Start out small and work our way around. Put this where I can get to it better. Try it like that. And and then we will use this to straighten it out. This one goes here. Just about. And I want a little deeper on this side than this side, so I get kind of an angle tilt on this. Bigger. There we go. And that's what we want to do with that. It's got a little bit of an angle, which is what I want. So what we'll do is, this will be one of the last things we put. This will be the last thing we attach after we get the mouth and everything else done. And then what we'll do is just put wood putty around here to seal this and blend it in a little bit. But that's pretty much what we want with that right there. So we're going to do the same to the other side, and then we'll come back. Thanks for watching.